Okay. Hello, my name is Jasmine. So this is a little intro video to what I'll be doing for the next 3 months. I'll be doing a rice water challenge kind of thing. So basically I'll be doing this for the next 3 months, and each month I'll be posting a video to track my progress, and here we go. So I probably put like about a cup of rice, rinse it, and then you put it in there, put it back in this thingamajigger, or rinse it in here, doesn't matter. And then I just put water the rest of the way and let it sit for 12 hours. A lot of other people say 24 hours, 48 hours. I don't like it to smell too much, so I put it for 12 hours. It's still fine. I don't have the time to wash it out because I have like a whole bunch of other things to do. I have to go to work. So I'm gonna quickly put this in after I spritz this up into my hair. Make sure to pay extra attention to the roots and the tips. Yeah, so this is not really how long my hair is. It's actually a little wet because I actually low-key started. So it's actually kind of like up to here. But this is how long my actual hair is, so that you see. I'll do a little stretching thing. So this is, so it's up to before the chesses. Okay, so up to there. That's like the bottom of my hair. Up to there. So maybe we'll do a little bit of the top thing. I should actually get a ruler. But yeah, basically up to here. Most of my hair is up to here. The delta, like right below the delta, the shoulder. So yeah, so basically what I've already done is spritz all over very generously. It's already wet, so I'm not doing it like that much. I'm just doing a little recap of what I've done. And this, I'll post the name of what this actually is. It's a Shea Moisture, I hope. Oh yeah. Deep conditioner, and then you don't actually need to use much of this one. It's like really balmy, amazing. Oh yeah, I don't know if I already mentioned this, but I use this. You can literally use any deep conditioner. I use it just so it doesn't smell like vomit throughout the day. Yeah, a lot of people do have complaints about how sour and disgusting it smells. So me leaving it in my hair, hoping it won't smell because of this product. And if you're wondering what kind of hair I have, I really don't know. So y'all leave your your comments below on what kind of hair I have. Okay, so basically I'll be putting this in my hair once a week along with the deep conditioner, because I should deep condition it once a week anyway, and that's what I've kind of been doing, but obviously seeing no length differences. So now I'm adding rice water to the mix and seeing what will go down after these 3 months. So yeah. I'll be putting it in a bun for the rest of the day and washing it out when I get home. So I guess Monday will be my new wash day. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. This is how much I lost. A lot of people have been doing that. I don't know if you can see it. But then again, I don't really comb my hair much, so is that a bad thing? I don't know. Hey, I just got back from work. Anyway, I just came back from work, and it's still in my hair, still a little wet. It's kind of gunky. That's what like kind of happens when you leave it in your hair for that long. I feel like it's really gunky. Like I want it to get washed. Also, something I forgot to do was I think I should have measured it, because like y'all are gonna be like, yo, how it's not quantifiable, like how am I gonna know exactly what changed? Can't be showing you like this, like, you know. So this is oops, okay. So this is my hair, 20 centimeters and fine 8 inches. On the top of my head, the soles of my feet. 12 inches and 32 centimeters. I have many different lengths in my front. I see, I had a lot of controversy with my bangs for like a very long time, and I decided to cut them regardless of what anyone said. 20 centimeters and 8 inches. So I'm gonna go and wash my hair, and I'll come back and show you how my hair is feeling after this whole day sitting in rice water. So I just got back from washing my hair, finished my routine and everything, and my overall thoughts on how it feels after the whole washing out of rice water. It feels normal, but we'll see how it is after, you know, the progressive length check. Hi guys! And today we are doing a 1 month after 1 month of rice water. So yeah, it's been 1 month. I've done it once a week. Honestly, I am a skeptic, so I don't see a difference, but you know, it's only a month, and I said I was gonna do this for 3 months. But you guys got the 1 month in the video, so now you get to see if there was a difference in the 1 month. So here is my trusty fabric land. So behind the ear, hair behind the ear. So 25 centimeters? Is that what am I saying this? Am I seeing this correctly? What the I actually don't believe it, because how does your hair grow 1 inch in a month? I don't believe it. Not bad, I guess, like 34. 34, so that's a good like inch growth, because I know 2.34 centimeters is 1 inch. So wow, that's kind of messed up. And last but not least, the front of the head was also 20 centimeters, I believe. 24 centimeters. What the heckity hack? What the friggity frack? So, for me to really believe it, I think I need to actually do it for the next 3 months. Oh, no, the next 2 months. And then really see. Maybe this was just it, you know? So yeah. But the thing is, I feel like I might not be doing it enough, because a lot of other people do it like every day. Every day. But I think I might do it twice a week now. But I'm actually loving the results. Like, I honestly don't see it, because I guess like an inch isn't that much to like really like notice. But yo, an inch? That's pretty amazing. I feel like it's a lie. I like to forebode joy. Okay, thanks for watching. Our new channel is now called JACFLY. As you can see, yeah, we changed the name. And yeah, JACFLYTV. Bye!